Alright guys, welcome back to FOREX Guide. I am GABBYFX. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to trade a trend line. So for most of you that doesn't know what a trend line is, a trend line is one of the most powerful strategy used in the Forex market on any market in the foreign exchange market. It shows you the direction of the market. It shows you the direction. Okay, and basically we have three types of trend line. We have the downward trend, the upward trend, and the ranging trend. Okay, so today I want to show you how to trade a trend line. How to, if you don't, so why we come to it, make sure to watch through the end of the video. Okay, because I'm dropping nuggets that will help you to become a better trader. All right guys, so let's come into it now. Trend line. First of all, you determine the time frame you want to draw on. Make sure to draw a trend line on a higher time frame. Okay, the weekly and the daily chart is advisable. Okay, always draw your trend line on a higher time frame. The daily, the weekly chart, or the monthly chart is clearly advisable to draw a trend line. Never draw a trend line on a lower time frame. Draw it on a high time frame to get the clear picture of the market. Okay, so we move down as you can see here we are on the monthly chart, and we are on a trade, we are on GBP JPY. Okay, we go down to, click here, we go down to your tools. Okay, trend line. Okay, before you draw a trend line, okay, here we go. Make sure your trend line touches at least 3 trough to be valid. 3 at least. You can see, let's draw. Always make sure to draw a trend line to meet the current market price. The current, you're drawing trend line. Okay. Okay. So basically guys, trend line shows you the direction of the market. The direction, make sure it touches at least 3 market tips. 3 trough of tips to be valid. Okay, as you can see guys, we are in an upward trend. The market is heading up, right? As you can see, we're in an upward trend. Alright guys, so we move down to the lower time frame, 4 hours. We move down to the weekly time frame. To the weekly. As you can see, we're in an upward trend. So we're in an upward trend, right? So guys, note, while trading trend lines, when a chart broke above this or this, okay, when the market broke above this or below this trend line is no longer valid. As you can see, we're in an uptrend. Market is making higher highs, lower lows, higher highs and lower lows. You can see that higher high, lower lows, higher highs. Okay, so we are declaring in an upward trend. Okay, never trade against the trend, guys. Key facts: to keep. All right, never ever you guys trade against the trend. Always follow the trend. Okay, so this is basically how you draw a trend line. Okay, so if you want to place a trade, as you can see, the market is making a pullback. For most of you that doesn't know what a pullback is, the market will come down right here, retest, and push up again. As you can see, you see that the market is in a pullback. So right here, so sometimes scalpers, sometimes you can, as you can see, market is doing a pullback. So I place a trade on sale. I'm putting on a trade right now. So we just take a free profit before the market continues its upward movement. Okay, so right here, I'm in a sell order. In a sell. Okay, so I'm looking, market will retrace around here. I'm looking to get some profits right. So in this area, market will come down like this, retest on this area, then move back up. Once market broke out of this trend line and retest and move down again, that means this trend line is no longer valid, guys. Do you hear what I said? Once the trend line breaks out from this, retest and moves back down, this trend line is no longer valid. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to do market reversals. When to know what market is about to reverse. So clearly in an upward trend. Okay, market is making higher highs and higher lows, lower low and lower high. Okay, so let's zoom this chart. As you can see, we are clearly in an upward trend. Okay, we are clearly in an upward trend. Okay, as you can see, guys, right here, as you can see, okay, this is it. This is this week profit. All right, let us look at trade. All right, you can see, guys, never you guys go against the trend. Never go against the trend. Okay, never go against the trend. No matter what you do, always follow the trend. The trend is your friend. And most of you guys, if you want to know how to trade pullback, never trade pullbacks. It's not advisable to trade pullbacks. Never trade pullbacks in your trend. Always follow the trend line. Always follow the trend. Okay, the trend is your friend. As you can see right here, we are clearly in an upward trend. The market is in an upward trend. As you can see, the market is in an upward. We're in an upward. This is up, showing you arrow. As I can see the arrow right here, showing you up. One more example. Let me show you an example of a downward trend. Let me find a trend for you guys, showing you a downward trend. Okay. So when you're in an upward trend, you buy. Okay, you can see. But when you're in a downward trend, you sell. Okay, so let me show you an example of a downward trend before we call it a day. Okay, let's look at catch-F. Catch-F. Let's look for a chart. You can see right here. You can see right here. You can see. This is an example of a downward trend, but the market has retested. Okay, it's not going up. This is an example of a downward trend. So the market has just come down, retested, and now the market is moving up. Okay, so this is a counter trend now. Okay, so in a downward movement, you sell. Yeah, you sell in a downward movement. Never go against the trend, guys. Never ever go against the trend. Most traders trade pullbacks. is not advisable because most it can be caught within the pullback of the trend. Always follow the trend. Never trade against the trend because you will lose some money. I myself, I love trading trendline strategy because it's one of the most profitable way of trading. As you can see, let's go back to my history. Okay, and history right here to show you the benefits of trading trend lines. As you can see, you can see how much we made today, this week. You can see how much we made so far. Let me put today so you can see today's profits. You can see, like I said, the trend is your friend. Never trend against the trend. In a downward trend, you sell. In an upward trend, you buy. Okay, so we just bagged 100 USD so far. 100 USD in the bag. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips. Subscribe because I'll be dropping content for you guys on a daily basis. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video so others can get and watch this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And make sure to subscribe. Make sure to smash the subscribe button for more daily updates. I post 2 days a week so you guys can be a profitable trader and a successful one. Alright guys, I'm GABBYFX by name, alright, and this is Forex Guide. Alright, see you on the next video. Thank you guys.